Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check the SIM is active and placed in the primary slot, and that signal bars are present. Next, inspect the Ussd string. It must begin with an asterisk and end with a hash with no trailing space. Once done, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to refresh network registration. These steps quickly eliminate the most common causes and let you move into targeted fixes without wasting. Now focus on the middle, more technical steps. You should switch the phone network mode between 4G, 3G, and 2G because some Ussd require a specific radio. Make sure to clear the dialer or phone app cache and try the carrier's SIM toolkit application if available. It often runs Ussd-like commands directly. Also, test the same code on another handset or ask the carrier via SMS because provisioning or outages can block Ussd from your account. Finish by applying advanced fixes. Update your phone OS and carrier settings, then reboot to ensure changes take effect. If the problem persists, power off, remove and reset the SIM, or try the SIM in another phone to isolate the device versus network issue. If none of this works, contact the carrier and request Ussd provisioning or a network-side reset. Troubleshooting tip. If the code returns an error, note the exact message and time. That information speeds carrier diagnostics and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.